Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to module 8, and in short, we just open our instruction file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay. So in today's video we will discuss XP25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores. We just make that bold and change its color so it must be visible. Then here's project description. So we will solve this assignment step by step. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment we have question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Question number 12 is a non-graded one in which we have to save and close XP25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores, then exit Excel, then submit and get the result. Okay, so we have just 11 graded question in today's assignment. Let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Today assignment name is XP25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores, and here is project description. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible. Then, as an elementary school principal, you are concerned about students' reading comprehensions. After conducting a study, you want to calculate some general statistic and then to conduct a one-way analysis of variance. And over doing so, we will enable you to compare three sample group means and evaluate the variance. Within each group, compare to variance among three groups. These are just simply in description about the project, what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. So we just simply read that one and get idea. Okay, nothing else we have to read. After reading this description, then we get idea what we have to do in today assignment. Okay, so let me move to graded part. In graded part we have 12 questions as we discussed earlier. Steps to perform, then instructions. So here is question number 1. Start Excel, download and open file named XP25 Excel Chapter 8 ML2 reading scores XLS mean Excel file. You may see we have already downloaded that file. Okay, then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. Yes, that is also done. So we have to open that file. We call that solution file. Okay, our solution file is just getting open. Once it opens, then we will start. Okay, first we have to click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done. And after solving question number 1, now we are moving toward question number 2. In the range f2 to h2, insert a function that will calculate average for each of the groups. Control CBT only hybrid. Okay, now in the range f2 to h2, where is f2? Okay, there is f2 to h2 there. So we have to insert function that calculate average of each group of control CBT, and okay, so we have to in there equal, then write average. So here is control, we use that one. Okay, then close parenthesis and press enter. So we get result. Yes. Then here, now we have to find average of CBT only. Okay. So equal, then write average function, then pass this range to that function. Okay. Then close parenthesis and press enter. Yes. Then move toward hybrid and there write average function. Then we have to pass this hybrid range. Okay. Then close parenthesis and press enter. So question number one is done. Question number two is done. In question number two, we have to, in the range f2 to h2, we have to insert a function that calculate average for each group of control, CBT, on and hybrid, and we have done, and we get this result. Okay. So question number two is done. Now we are moving toward question number three. In the range f3 to h3, insert a function that calculates median of each group. In the range f3 to h3, we have to insert a function that calculates median of each group. Here we have to find median. Okay, so equal, then write median formula come. Now again pass control range there, close parenthesis, then press enter. Yes. Then come to next G3 and there write median, then pass CBT only range, then close parenthesis and press enter. Okay, then there equal, then write median, then pass hybrid range. Okay, then close parenthesis, then press enter and get result. Yes. So question number three is done. In question number three, in the range f3 to h3, there we have to insert a median function to calculate the median of each groups, and we have in formula and we get this result, this one, and this one. Okay, so question number three is done. After solving question number three, now we are moving toward question number four. In the range f4 to h4, insert a function that calculates most repeated value of each group. Most repeated value mean we have to use a mode function. Okay, there equal, then write mode, then pass, first we have to pass control range, then close parenthesis and press enter. Okay, then there equal, then write mode, then we have to pass this range. Then we write mode, and we have to pass hybrid range, then close parenthesis and press enter. Yes. So question number four is done. In question number four, in the range f4 to h4, we have to insert a function that will calculate most repetitive value of each of the group. So question number four is done. Now we are moving toward question number five. In the range f5 to h5, you have to insert a function that will calculate highest value of each groups. So we just in the range f5 to h5 we have to insert a function that create highest value of each group. So here first we have to come on here, and there we in this range we have to use a function that will calculate highest value from this range. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 5. Then same we will solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So in today's video we have discussed XP25 Excel chapter 8 ML2 reading scores. In short, we just discussed project description. After that, then we move toward question number 1, and we have solved question number 1 step by step. That is, even though that is not graded one, but we have solved question number 1 step by step. Then we move toward question number 2, and we have solved question number 2 step by step. And in question number 2, we use average function to calculate F2 to H2 range to find the average of each group. Then in question number 3, we have to work in the range f3 to h3, and there we have to insert a median function to calculate median of each group. Then in question number 4, in the range f4 to h4, we have to insert a function that will calculate most repetitive values of each of group mean. We have to use mode function. Then in question number 5, in the range f5 to h5, we have to insert a function that calculate the highest value mean. We have to use max function, and we get the answer. So same way we will solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So in today's video we have discussed almost half of assignment, but if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and your marks will be 100%. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer, and your result will be 100%, and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You, you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes, and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's video we have discussed half of assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.